Hi, I'm Bob Struble, CEO of Directed. Thanks for coming out to the booth, and thanks for stepping up to the Directed Race the CEO Challenge. Today I'll be installing this Viper DS4 remote start system into the Jeep Wrangler you see behind me. We're going to show you exactly how simple installing a DS4 system can be. It'll be simple because I'm using this THCH N2 T-harness. It's customized for the Jeep, available from Directed, and it's going to make this install so simple that even me, a CEO, can do it. Think you have what it takes to beat me? Let's do it. Okay, let's do this. I'm using my cheaters. Sure, none of you will, but I need them. Start that clock. All right, we're into our Jeep. We've removed the panel, as you can see, to make it a little bit easier. We're going to take out the ignition harness. I've got my custom Directed T-harness. We're going to put the male into the female. We're going to put the male back into the ignition. Then I'm going to take my handy dandy DS4, beautiful module that it is. We're putting in 2 connections there. I'll leave this out so you can see the flashing. I'm going to go key on. Ding a couple times. I'm moving now to the Direct Link app, and we're going to hit configure. It's looking for the car. It has found it, Jeep Wrangler. Successfully paired. And we're going to start a new configuration. Automatic, remote start, enable with 3 lock. I can turn this off, by the way. Adding smart start, because everybody has to have smart start. Viper 716V, ready. And now we're going to flash. This is the longest part of the process. It'll be the longest part of the install. If you guys are not on this, you're not going to catch me because I'm not going to be slow at the end. But if you're here, maybe you got a shot. Features loaded, firmware's next. This is the longest step. You also notice that the DS4 is flashing green. That tells you it's receiving and it's getting all the stuff. I'm doing this on the iPad. I could just as easily be doing this on my iPhone. I could be doing it on an Android tablet, or I could be doing it on my Android phone. And note, I am not connected to a computer. We are in the bays. We're not losing time. We're not having to deinstall if we have to reflash. It's the beauty of DS4 with the Bluetooth on board. About halfway done with the firmware. Feeling pretty good about this. Reasonable pace. About 2/3 done. As I say, longest part of the process. Everything else is pretty easy. Getting closer. Hope you guys are at this point, because the end's going to be quick. Got to go all the way to start. Doesn't count if you don't start it. 3, 2, 1. Firmware done. Now we're saving. Okay. Back in the car. I'm going to go on. Whoop. Now we're going to go off. Once to validate. And 3 locks to start. 1, 2, 3. That's a start. Stop the clock. And there you go. I just installed and programmed a Viper DS4 remote start system using the customized Directed T-harness in 3 minutes and 6 seconds. And we're going to celebrate by cruising in the California sun, because Viper DS4 systems are so simple to install that even me, a CEO, can do it. Thanks again.